Hey guys, so I have a really important video to record today because what I want to talk about today is how cannabis can actually treat alcoholism. I think one of the most underutilized treatments for treating alcohol is through cannabis use. A lot of people have been able to reduce or eliminate their alcohol consumption with cannabis, and we're going to go over that today. So we're going to talk about alcohol and CBD specifically. So alcohol and CBD. And if you don't know what CBD is cannabidiol, and it's one of the cannabinoids in cannabis, but it doesn't make you high. So, first of all, why would someone want to treat alcoholism? We know that alcohol is linked to obesity. We know that it's linked to depression. It's not good for your metabolism. It can really wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system. It can increase blood pressure, increase your risk of diabetes. So, there's so many things that alcohol is not good for. So, if you are an alcoholic or if you know someone who is an alcoholic, please continue watching this video because I really do feel that CBD can, be a really effective treatment for alcoholism. So how does it treat it? That's what we're going to talk about. So the first way is through your brain. So we know that CBD does influence your brain. A lot of people use it for PTSD, they use it for anxiety, they use it for depression. So, by having CBD in your system, you may in fact alleviate your anxiety and reduce your anxiety so that you don't feel like you need the alcohol. A lot of people, when they're using alcohol, they're using it to alleviate stress, or use it to alleviate anxiety, or to help them sleep at night. If you have CBD on board in your system, you may not get any of those effects in the first place. So you may not have that strong urge, that strong desire to drink alcohol. So that's the first way that it can affect it. And what's the second way? So the second way is actually very, very interesting. Okay, so the second way is something that actually only came out very, very recently. You might have heard of people talk about gut health before and how that's so good for your mental health and also for your immune system. So, that's the second way that we feel that CBD actually can affect and treat alcoholism. So it's by affecting your gut-brain axis. So let's write that down. Your gut-brain axis. Okay, so we know that what happens in the gut can actually influence our brain and how we feel. And the way that that CBD can help treat alcoholism is that alcohol negatively affects your gut health. So it can increase intestinal permeability. It can do a lot of things that are not good for your gut health. CBD actually treats your gut health. So, what alcohol does to your gut health, CBD basically does the exact opposite. So, those are the two big ways that CBD can help treat alcoholism. CBD does affect your brain. We already kind of knew that. But the thing that's, come out recently is that CBD can actually affect your gut-brain axis. And we feel that that's the way that it can treat alcoholism as well. So thank you so much for watching this video today, guys. I really do appreciate it. And as always, I'll be back again soon.